Hey friends, welcome to Design Guy. Want to know the easiest way to make passport photos with Canva? I'll show you how. Click Create, then select Custom Size. Enter 35 by 45 millimeters as the dimensions. This sets your workspace to the precise size needed for your project. Open the tutorial, then click the Create New Design button to start your project immediately and efficiently. Next, click Upload to add your photo. Select the image file you want and it will appear in your project like this. Select your photo, then choose the option to remove the background for a cleaner, more professional image appearance. To remove the background from a photo, use a background remover tool. If you don't have one, go to google.com and search for BG Remove. Choose an app from the results, then click the Upload button to add your photo. The tool will process your image and remove the background automatically. Type the name of your image file in the search bar. Next, select the file from the list. Then click the Open button to import the image into your project. Here, the image background is removed automatically. Next, right-click the image to access additional editing options for further customization. Copy the image, then paste it into Canva using Ctrl+V. Now the image appears without its background. We removed the background using Remove.bg. If you have Canva Pro or any premium version, you can also remove backgrounds directly within Canva, making the process faster and more seamless. This streamlines your design workflow efficiently. In your Canva account, easily remove the background with just a single click. Select the image and use the Background Remover tool. This will create an image without a background. Next, try cropping the image to remove unwanted lower parts. Adjust the crop until you achieve the desired composition. This process ensures a cleaner, more focused image, perfect for presentations or design projects. Save your edited image when satisfied. First, focus on the upper area and click Done. Next, expand the image by dragging the edge in this section. Then, move the image using your mouse and keyboard. Finally, position the image in the center to complete the adjustment. This ensures your image is properly sized and aligned within the workspace. Click the crop tool again to adjust your image, then drag the handles to cut out unwanted areas precisely. After finishing, click Share to download your file. Increase the image size to improve quality. For the best printing results, select PDF Print. This ensures crisp, clear output. Adjust settings as needed before saving or printing your design to achieve optimal visual quality every time. Now you know how to create a passport-size photo in Canva-like, and subscribe for more quick design tips.